Good morning. How y'all doing? Got back up. It's about 7 o'clock. Got home super late last night, or not really super late. Just super tired because I've been up since like 4. And yeah, I come out here because I want to show you all the waves because we're about to leave. We gotta bounce. We gotta get out of here before the hurricane hits. We're not really. It's not really gonna hit here, but it's gonna hit the place. It says that it's on the way in between here and Texas, so we gotta go before that hurricane. We gotta beat it. And but real quick, I just want to show you the waves here. They're super rough compared to earlier. Look at that. See how close they are? They're right there. Usually they're like back there. See, the waves are super close and they're really rough. Look at that. That's how you know a hurricane's coming. I don't know. Oh, there's the pier that I fished off of. It's way down there. So, yeah. That's the water. And, probably go back to the room. Wrap in the, fishing chirp, and yeah, we
so let's take a look at the storm
like
surge
right
warning. You can see how New Orleans isn't
highlighted,
in
we
that.
need to get
Everybody else
way over here.
Because of that. What we're seeing is on the
evening hours. There's
we're
going
over
to be
here.
rain as well, and it lasts into our Tuesday. And by the way, into our Wednesday morning. We will
But then we're going to go from here.
Showers from us.
Way over there.
Pensacola, winds gusting to 17 already. Mobile, again, Dolphin Island here, right on the coast there. These barrier islands, that water just flows right over them so easily.
Guys, I know you probably can't hear me, but the wind noise is really bad here. It's also raining. It's like there's like a light drizzle. And yeah, that's the waves out there. Look at it, pretty rough. It's pretty windy. Alright, I gotta put y'all up. It's starting to rain really. It's starting to drizzle a little bit more. Bye, beach and ocean. Oh dang! See, look how windy it is. See, look at that. It's blowing in there. We don't want that happening. Look, my bag's blowing in there too. Oh my goodness. There. I did it. I might, for safety reasons. Yeah. There we go. Look at that. Locked in. That way the hurricane don't destroy it. In the hotel room. We're gonna miss it. We're gonna miss the hotel room. The kitchen. I'm gonna miss the kitchen. The bathroom. Gonna miss the bathroom. The hallway. Gonna miss the hallway. Bedroom. I'm gonna miss the bedroom. This hallway right here. I think it's super slick. I probably shouldn't do that. Gonna miss this very, very long and scary hallway. Look at it. Very long and very scary. There's only one light. Alright, I'm gonna miss the hotel room. The door. Gonna miss the hotel room. If you ever get room 222, that was the room I was in. The Wyndham Garden Hotel. Room 222. That's the room we were in if you were in there. And we're leaving it. Goodbye, hotel. Goodbye, Wyndham Garden Hotel. Bye, Fort Walton. Bye. Look at it. And we're gone. Oh no, I'm gonna miss it. We're going over the bay, man. Look at it. It's kind of rough out there, man. But yeah. I'm gonna miss this bridge, man. I'm gonna miss it. Tommy watching the movie back there, right, Tommy? We in Alabama now. We're about to be to Mississippi after this. There's the battleship. Turn off. Mississippi now at the Welcome Center. Try to get a Reese's out of the vending machine at the Mississippi restaurant, but the vending machine is broken. Nothing I can do about that. I'll see y'all whenever something happens. Definitely alligators in there. Alright, we just pulled up to another rest stop. We're about to get a Reese's. Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Do you want a Reese's? 57. Oh, there it goes. Oh, tongue's getting ruffled.
Reese's.
Oh, yeah. Oh, typical red lace. Alright, let's see it. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Don't worry, guys. We just got 2 peanut M&Ms. And that's how we got the second one. Let's go. Tommy's watching Nacho Libre back there eating his ruffles. Gonna go over another river. Isn't that cool? This is Pearl River. 'Filled up at a gas station. Got some gas. 4 hours and 10 minutes left to go. We're stuck in traffic. Crossing the Sabine River into Texas. Oh, we're in Texas now. Yeah.